So dear students, today I am going to explain about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which has a complete meaning. అంటే కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్ ఇచ్చేటటువంటి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ మనం ఏమంటామంటే సెంటెన్స్ అని అంటాం. ఏ సెంటెన్స్ ఇస్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ ఏ కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్. సో హౌ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఆర్ దేర్? Sentences any types, okay na? So there are 4 types of sentences are there. One is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. So what is meant by assertive sentence? Asal assertive sentence ante enti ane chudam. So here assertive sentences are statements. These assertive sentences are so these are the statements. Assertive sentences are the statements. Example, మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూసినట్టయితే Rama runs quickly. Rama runs quickly. Rama runs quickly అనేది ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్, ఓకేనా? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ స్టేట్మెంట్ గివింగ్ కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్. అండ్ టుమారో విల్ బి ఏ హాలిడే. టుమారో విల్ బి ఏ హాలిడే. సో these are the group of words. Rama runs quickly. It is a group of words which has a complete meaning. అంటే కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్ ఇస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సో టుమారో విల్ బి ఏ హాలిడే అంటే రేపు హాలిడే. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో గివింగ్ ఏ కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ what is meant by interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences అంటే so interrogative sentences are questions. Interrogative sentences are questions, and these are 2 types. Interrogative sentences are 2 types. So these are 2 types. So one is begin with the question words. This interrogative sentence begins with question words. Begins with question words. And the second one is not begin with question words. Not begin with question words. Okay, so interrogative sentences are questions. So these are 2 types. One is begins with question words and another one is not begin with question words. So what is begins with question words anadu? Begins with question words means what is your name? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? So question mark. Where are you going? Question mark. So this begins with question words. What, where, like that. And not begin with question words means examples. Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Question mark. Are you coming? Are you coming? Question mark. Do you know my name? Do you know my name? అంటే నా పేరు నీకు తెలుసా? ఓకేనా? అట్లాగే ఆర్ యు గోయింగ్? ఆర్ యు గోయింగ్? మీరు వెళ్తున్నారా? Okay, so these are about what? Interrogative sentence. And the next one is imperative sentence. And the next one is imperative sentence. So what do you mean by imperative sentence? Imperative sentences ante. So imperative sentences are the commands and requests, are the commands and requests, are the commands and requests. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మనం కమెంట్స్ మనం చూసుకున్నట్టయితే get out, get out. So it is a command. Go and take a map of India from the office. Go and take a map of India from the office. From the office. So this is what? This is command. These words, these sentences comes under commands. Get out. బయటికి వెళ్ళు. Go and take a map of India from the office. ఆఫీస్ నుంచి ఇండియా మ్యాప్ తీసుకొని రా. ఓకేనా? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఫర్ వాట్? కమాండ్స్. అండ్ రిక్వెస్ట్. ఓకేనా? రిక్వెస్ట్ చూసినట్టయితే మనం ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ ఏ పెన్. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ ఏ పెన్. దయచేసి పెన్ ఇవ్వ. హ్యావ్ మెర్సీ అపాన్ us. హ్యావ్ మెర్సీ అపాన్ us. ఓకేనా? మా పైన దయలేదా. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద రిక్వెస్ట్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇంపరేటివ్ sentences. So imperative sentences are commands and requests. Okay, now the last one is exclamatory sentence. What do you mean by exclamatory sentence? So these sentences show exclamation or wonder. So these sentences, exclamatory sentences, shows exclamations or wonder. Exclamation or wonder. So what a beautiful flower it is. Example. What a beautiful flower it is. What a beautiful flower it is. So exclamatory mark. This is the exclamatory mark. How wonderful it is. How wonderful it is. Exclamatory mark. Okay, so these are the 4 types of sentences and examples. Thank you.